Welcome back to my channel, that is Sonali Mathematics. If you are really liking the contents given by me, then share it among your friends so that they may find it helpful. So in our last video, we have finished first exercise of our AP, that is NCERT part. In this session, we will complete the examples part of our next exercise. Hope you are enjoying learning maths with fun. So do give support to my channel. Let's get started. Okay, so our this example part of the next exercise is based on this formula only that we have studied in our previous video. Okay, so for finding the nth term of AP, for finding the nth term of any AP, it is given by formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term of your series, of the AP series, and d is the common difference. Okay, d is the common difference, and common difference is same. If the series is in AP, then common difference is same. You can either subtract the second term from first term, third term from second term, fourth term from third term, and so on. Common difference does not have any effect. Okay, so see, if A1, A2, A3 and so on is in AP. See, this series is in AP, okay, with A1 being the first term and D being the common difference. Then how can we find the second term? By using this formula. Okay, so for finding the second term, see, n is a natural number. Here nth formula is given. Here n is any natural number, like n can be 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. N can't be in fraction. Okay, so for finding the second term of AP, second term is denoted by what? A2. Okay, so for finding the second term, that is A2, simply put the value of n as 2 in this formula, in the above formula. So what we will get? A plus n. N value is what? 2. 2 minus 1 into d. When you will solve it, simplify it, what you will get? A plus 2 minus 1 is simply 1. So A plus d. Okay. Third term of AP, that is A3. Okay, by using the above formula. Okay, so a plus n minus 1, here n value is what? 3. So 3 minus 1 into d. So a plus, when you will simplify, 3 minus 1 will be what? 2. So a plus 2d. Okay, now for finding the fourth term of AP, use the formula again, an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now the value of n is what? 4. Okay, so a plus 4 minus 1 into d. So when you will simplify, so 4 minus 1 will be what? A plus 3d, and so on. The pattern will continue, so on. You can similarly find the fifth term, sixth term that is being asked in the question. Okay, so we are moving on to example 3 of our NCERT. Okay, here we have to find the 10th term of the AP, and the series of AP is given what? 2, 7, 12 and so on. We have to find the 10th term. Okay, so what is our first term? Our first term is C2. Okay, what is our common difference? Common difference, just subtract the second term from first term. So 7 minus 2, what you will get? Plus 5. Okay, plus 5. D is our plus 5. So for finding the 10th term, okay, so for finding the 10th term, that is A, first write nth. Okay, first write the general form. The nth term is given by the formula A plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so n, value of n is what? We have to find the 10th term. So value of n is here 10. Okay, so we have to find a10. Okay, a10 will be what? A, value of a is what? 2 plus, now n value is what? Our 10. 10 minus 1, d value is what? 5. Okay, so when you will simplify, what you will get? You will get 2 plus 10 minus 1, 9, and 9 into 5, 45. So what you will get as your answer? Your answer will be 47. Okay, hope it is clear. Moving on to the next example, that is example 4. Okay, here also an AP series is being given to you. The series of AP is 21, 18, 15 and so on. Okay, and it is asking that which term of AP, it is asking the value of n. Okay, which term of this AP series is minus 81. So here the an value is given. Okay, an value is given, that is what? Minus 81, and here you have to find what? you have to find n. Okay, you have to find n. So an value is given. An value is what? minus 81. It is given. Okay, and here you have to find n. Okay, here you have to find n, and series is given. Okay, series is given where value of a is what? Your 21. Value of a is your 21, and common difference, just check the common difference. Okay, so 18 minus 21 is what? minus 3. So common difference is simply minus 3. Okay, now which term is asking? So we have to find the value of n. So just use the formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, just put the value. An is what? minus 81. A value is what? 21 plus n. N you have to find, don't know, and d value is minus 3. Okay, so when you will simplify, what you will get? minus 81 equal to 21 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. Okay, now just simplify. Minus 81 equal to what? Just take 21 to this left hand side. So minus 81 minus 21 equal to, it will be minus 3 into n minus 1. Okay, so minus minus will be plus, but sign will be of minus. Okay, so minus 102 equal to minus 3 n minus 1. See, minus minus on LHS RHS both get cancelled out. Okay, 3, when you will cancel it by 3, what you will get? 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. Okay, so what will be your final answer? 34 equal to n minus 1, and value of n will be what? Value of n, when you will take this minus 1 to this left hand side, what you will get? 34 plus 1, that will be 35. Okay, so you have found out the first part of this question. Okay, n value you have found out, that is 35. Now the second part that it is asking is also, it is asking that also, is there any term in this AP series that have value 0? Okay, further, like 21, 18, 15, it is given. It is asking further, when you will continue the series, then is there any term with the value 0? Okay, is there any term with the value 0? You have to find out in this AP series. Okay, so how can you find out? Here also again value of an is being given. Value of an is being given what? This is the second part of your question. Okay, value of an is given what? 0. A value is same, 21, and d value is also same, that is minus 3. Just check. If value of n is any natural number, then there will be a term having the value 0, and if the value of n comes as fraction, then there will not be any term having value 0. Okay, so let's just check it out. Okay, so value of n, just use the formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. I am just using this formula. Okay, an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So value of an is what? 0. So 0 equal to a value is what? 21 plus n minus 1, n don't know, we have to find out. Okay, minus 1 into d value is minus 3. Just take this 21 to this left hand side, so it will become minus 21, and here it will become minus 3 into n minus 1. See, this minus minus gets cancelled out, and this 3 7s are 21. Okay, so what you will get? 7 equal to n minus 1. So value of n, see, n minus 1, when this minus 1 will go to this left hand side, so 7 plus 1 will be what? 8. Okay, so value of n is what? Value of n, since 8 is a natural number, 8 is a natural number, so yes, is there any term having value 0 in this AP? So yes, answer will be yes, and that term will be what? 8th term. That 8th term will have the value 0 in this AP series. Okay, that 8th term will have value 0 in this AP series. Hope the both part of the question is clear. Okay, moving on to the next example. Okay, we have to determine the AP whose third term is 5 and seventh term is 9. Okay, so since the general form of AP is given by the formula, nth term of AP is a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, and here it is asking that determine AP whose third term is 5. Okay, third term it is asking, that means a3 is given. A3 is given what? A plus n, value of n is what? 3 minus 1, and d you don't know. Okay, so a3 is given. A3 is given what? Third term is 5. 5 is given, that is a plus 2d. See, one equation you have got. One equation you have got. Okay, second equation you will get by solving this part. Okay, seventh term is 9. Okay, so a7 a plus n minus 1, value of n is 7 minus 1 into d is unknown. Okay, so a7 seventh term is what, 9. Okay, so a plus 7 minus 1 is 6d. See, two linear equation you are having, just subtract equation 2 minus 1. Okay, I am subtracting 2 minus 1, equation 2 minus 1. So what I will get, a plus 6d equals to 9 minus a plus here 2d equals to 5, it is given. Okay, when you will subtract, what you will get, this a plus a minus a will get cancelled out. Okay, 6d minus 2d you will get as 4d. Okay, and when you will subtract 9 minus 5 you will get 4. Okay, so when you will simplify 4d equals to 4, see this 4 gets cancelled out, so value of d will be 1. Okay, value of d will be 1. Now you have to find the value of a. Okay, you have to find the value of a. So how can you find the value of a? Just put the value of d in your first equation. Okay, so a plus 2d is equals to 5, it is given. Now just put the value of d, that is a plus d value is 1, so 2 into 1 will be 2 equals to 5. So value of a will be what, 5 minus 2, it will be what, value of a will be 3. Okay, value of a will be your 3. Okay, hope it is clear. Okay, now you have to find the AP, you have to find that series. Okay, so your first term is what, 3, common difference is 1, so just add 3 to 1, what you will get, 4. Okay, next term after 4 will be what, just add plus 1, 5. Next term after 5 will be what, just add the common difference, so 5 plus 1, 6. Okay, just add the next term, so next term will be what, 6 plus 1, 7, and this series will move so on. Okay, it will continue like 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, because the common difference is plus 1. Okay, so this is our final answer, this is our final